Hello, I am Maurice Olea. On this project, I work on the Nigerian Cultural Appeal, an appeal which allows users to create, read, update, and delete data. There are four in all, containing dishes, festival, rulers, and folklore. Authentication, validation, and testing across four connections. This is the deployed application running on Render. This is the Swagger documentation where all ends can be tested. The appeal contains four collections: dishes, festivals, rulers, and folklores. Each of them supports full CRUD operations. Here is our appeal on GitHub. No sensitive information like environment variables or configuration information. Now I will test the endpoints. I will start with the unprotected routes. I will start with get all festival. Here I'm testing the endpoint for all festival. As you see, it returns 200 for all festivals. I will now get festival by ID. Try it out. Yeah, you get festival. Next are the protected routes. If I try to create a new festival without logging in, it will return 401, which means I need authentication. Yeah. Execute. Error 401. Now I have to log in to be able to access the protected routes. I have to authorize. Now I am redirected that to. Now that I am logged in, a new post will now be created. New Yam Festival, return 201, created. To remove a record, I use delete. I supply the ID number and then execute response body. Message festival delete. To prove validation, I am going to send in wrong data or invalid data to prove that wrong data cannot easily be saved. And it's going to return error 400 for me. In addition, all other collections of dishes, folklore, and rulers follow the same structure and validation rules. They all support full CRUD operations. I will now run test using npm test. All gets routes are passing. They are all tested and they are passing. This is folklore, dishes, festivals, and rulers. finally, I will say that in doing this project, it gave me practical knowledge on how to build and deploy RESTful APIs. I gained a great deal of practical knowledge in implementing authentication OAuth, handling data validation, writing unit tests, and working with API documentation using Swagger. I also developed problem-solving skills, resolving real-world problems like errors handling, core problems, and deployment challenges. Overall, this project strengthened my understanding of back-end development and collaborative software development. Thank you for watching.